Welcome to Waymark, the website that gives your dealership affordable, high-quality, customizable videos in minutes. Here's how it works. First, pick a video. Then customize it with the important stuff that makes your dealership and brand unique, like fonts, colors, copy, images, music, and logos. All our videos are designed and tested to fit the co-op needs of your specific brand, so you can rest easy when selecting the commercial that's right for you, like when you want to highlight a sales event. Feature an offer for that new or pre-owned vehicle. Or just want to showcase your dealership. And whether you're posting your videos on Facebook or broadcasting them on cable TV, Waymark has got you covered with commercials geared for every scenario. Come experience the one-stop shop for all your video marketing needs. Come experience Waymark.